Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we take a look at the iostat command, a command that provides statistics on I/O activity. So if you just run iostat like that, you get quite a bit of information. The first line describes the system, tells us the date, and reminds us that there are two CPUs on this system. Next, we look at the average CPU time. Now, this is broken down by user processes, by time spent in the nice mode, system processes, I/O wait, steal, and idle time, which in this case is nearly 99% idle. And so that's very not a heavily used system, to say the least. Below that, we see the devices that we're looking at here, and we see the two loop 0 and loop 1 devices, the hard disk here, and RAM. And let's just look at activity for the disk, and we can see transactions per second. It's right here. Kilobytes read per second, kilobytes written per second, kilobytes discarded per second, and then we see kilobytes read since the system's been up, kilobytes written, and kilobytes discarded. And so there's been a lot of disk activity, but it's still primarily idle, and these numbers are quite small. On a busy system, they'll look very different. Well, that is your Linux tip for the iostat command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.